Hello everyone. So now we are going to start with the next topic, that is definite integration. So till now we have seen the indefinite. So what is the difference between definite and indefinite? Just we're going to see that. Okay, and then how to do definite integration. We're going to see the examples and we're going to see the use of definite integration, okay, in finding the area under the curve of the any graph, okay, any curve. If you want to find out the area under that, then we can how to find out that thing, okay, that we're gonna see here in the definite integration, and we're gonna see examples based on that also. So how we do that? So basically what you write in indefinite is just fx dx, integration of fx dx. Here what you do, in lower limit you put x equal to a and upper limit you put x equal to b, okay, x limits you put, okay, this is x, below limit is called lower limit and upper limit is called up, the upside value is called upper limit of x, okay. So how you write? You just integrate it as same as indefinite integration, okay, the capital Fx, okay, and then you put the limit x equal to b and x equal to a. So first you will put the upper limit minus lower limit integration, okay. How we did it? Y equal to, you had fx dx, right, lower limit a, upper limit b, okay. When you integrated, you got a function capital Fx, okay. You had lower limit a and upper limit b. So first you will put the b, okay, then you will get some value, right, 4 3 7 whatever you are getting, okay, minus upper lower limit you will put a, okay, and this is your final answer of whatever I, okay. This is how you do, okay. Now let's see one example. You will understand it a better way. What is here? We have I is equals to integration of 1 to 2 x square dx, okay. So x square dx integration is x cube by 3, right, we know, same as indefinite, okay, is from 1 to 2, okay. So first you will put the 2 value, so 2 cube by 3 minus 1 cube by 3, that is 8 minus 1, 7, 7 by 3, okay, 7 by 3 is your answer. So here you can say there is a plus c, so plus c will come when you will put here plus c, and then there will be a plus c, so c and c will get cancelled out, okay. So there is no way to put, like, no need to put the c here, okay, in definite integration, because c is getting cancelled out, that's why. Now let's see more questions, okay. What is integration here? 3 dx, so we know 3x integration. So what is integration I value? Integration from 3x, this is, let's put the limit minus 1 to 4. So first you will put 3 into 4 and then minus 3 into minus 1, so that is plus 3, right. So 4 is a 12 plus 3 15, okay. Now let's put sin x dx. Sin x dx integration, we know what is the sin x integration? Minus cos x, right. So that is minus cos x. You can take minus outside also, there is no problem, or you keep it inside, that's also not a problem. So cos of pi by 2, cos of pi by 2 is how much? Cos of pi by 2 is 0, so minus 0 minus of minus cos 0, cos 0 is 1, okay, so that is 1, so this will be plus 1, okay. That's how, okay. I hope this is clear, okay. Now see, here you have the limit pi by 2, right, okay. Now let's do one more question. What is here? Cos I integration from, so here cos integration minus sign, we know already, cos integration sin x 0 to 2 pi. Put the values, 2 pi sine 2 pi, sine of 2 pi minus sine of 0, and we know sine of 2 pi and sine of 0 both are 0, 0 minus 0, that is 0, okay. And then after integration of sine 2x dx, and if you indefinite we have calculated this integration, what we did, integration of sine 2x, that is minus cos 2x divided by 2, okay, from 0 to pi, okay. So if you put the values, what you will get? Minus 1 by 2 you can take outside, okay, or you keep it outside, that's your choice. Okay, for better way I will keep it outside. So cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Okay, and if you solve this you will get the both are equal, right? So this is 0. Okay, next thing, let's see two more questions. So here I is equals to integration, you can do x square integration x cube by 3 plus 2x integration, the x integration x square by 2, 2 got cancelled out, x square from 0 to 2. So first you will put 2 and then you put 0. So 0 if you put, it is 0. So that is 2 cube by 3 plus 2 square minus 0. Everything is 0. So 8 by 3 plus 4. Okay. So 8 by 3 plus 4 you can do, that is 20 by 3. Okay. This is your answer. Sin square x dx integration we have already done in the indefinite integration. So I'm not gonna explain that how we did that. Okay. So what was the value we got here in that terms? We have calculated that thing. So that was 1 by 2 factor was there. So 1 by 2 factor I can take outside. That was x minus sine 2x divided by 2 from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So this is basically we have seen the cos square x. So cos square x and sin square x is same only, same formula. Cos 2 theta you use 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. By that you can do this. Okay. And then after, now let's calculate 1 by 2 and then you will put 2 pi. Okay, so put the 2 pi, 2 pi minus sine, this will become 4 pi by 2, and then you will put the 0, sine 0 is 0, so everything is going to be 0 there. Okay, this is your first value inside bracket and then this is outside bracket. So if you put this, sine 4 pi is 0, so 2 pi by 2, that is pi. So your final answer is pi. This is what. Okay, now let's go to our next thing, next topic, that is definite integration as area under the curve. So this is very important. Okay, so by using the definite integration we can find out the area under the curve of area under any curve. Okay, let's say this is the curve given y fx. Okay, so we want to find out the area under the curve from x equal to a line to x equal to b line. Okay, so what we will do, we will assume a strip. Okay, from y axis, x distance away, we'll assume a dx strip. Okay, now what will be the area of this strip? What can I write the area of the strip? Area of elemental strip. What can I write? That small dA. dA I can write, right? dA, what can I write? What is the width of this strip? This is a rectangle, I can assume, right? So what is the width of this rectangle? Dx. And what is the height of this rectangle? That is y, right? Height and width. So y dx is the area. Now if I want to find out total area, means this is small strips, right? If I want to find out total area, so there will be infinite small strips, right? So if I want to find out total area, what will I do? I will just integrate. Integration of dA is equals to integration of y dx. Okay, from where to where? From x equal to a to x equal to b. So x is varying from a to b. This is what, how to find out the area. So I can say this is my total area under the curve between x equal to a and x equal to b. This is what is integration y dx from a to b. Okay, so y, whatever function is given here, this y equal to fx is given. Okay, this you can see. Now let's do questions on that. Okay, this is very important topic. So y equal to 2x minus 4 is given, and then find area under the curve between x equal to 2 to x equal to 4. So when you will draw this y equal to 2x minus 4, okay, you draw this line. So this point is gonna come x equal to 2. Okay, and x equal to 4 gonna come here, somewhere here. So he is asking this area, this area. So for x equal to 4, what is the value of y? 4 to the 8, 4. Y is also 4. Okay, so the area of this triangle I can say, okay, area of triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Half into base into height, right? So half into base, that is 2 to 4. So that is 2 into height, that is 4. So how much is the area? 4, right? 4 unit square, whatever. So now other method is integration. How to do by integration? If I find out the area by integration, from where to where I want to do the integration? 2 to 4. Y dx. What is y? 2x minus 4 dx, right? A equal to 2x minus 4. What is the integration? X square. Okay, x square by 2 will come, 2 to 2 got cancelled out, minus 4x from 2 to 4. So you put the value 4 first and then you will put the value of 2. Okay, or how you will do? 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 2 square minus 4 into 2. Now if you calculate this value, this value is going to come also 4. Okay, so you see by both methods we are getting the same answer. Okay, now you will think that this method is taking longer. Yeah, this method is taking longer because this is a case of triangle. But if any standard curves come, okay, that their time you can't calculate the every time triangle will not come, right? So that's what for example basis we did this. Okay, so by the integration also you get the same answer. Okay, now see, calculate the area under the curve y equal to x square minus 2 x square minus 2 whole square from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2. Okay, okay, now let's do this. We can edit this thing, Kevin. Okay, so now we have from x equal to, so let's integrate, find out the area from 0 to 2. What is this? X minus 2 whole square dx. Okay, now what is x square minus 2 whole square integration? We can say x minus 2 whole cube by 3, right? So 1 by 3 outside, from where to where? 0 to 2, right? This is the integration we're gonna have. Let's do the integration. How to do this? Okay, now first you will put the value 2, then you will put the value 0. Okay, so 1 by 3. So first you put the value 2, then you got 0 minus, and then you put the value 0, then you will get minus 2 whole cube, right? So that is this is on a plus, and this is 8 cube by 3, so 8 by 3, right? So your answer is 8 by 3 unit square, whatever it gonna come. Okay, now let's go to next question. Calculate area under the curve from x equal to 1 to x equal to 3. So let me complete the question. Okay, what is this line is given? This line is given. Let me complete the question for you. This is y equal to x minus 2. Okay, so from x equal to 1 to x equal to 3. So I can say x equal to 1 is going to come here somewhere, right? X equal to 1, where the y value is how much? X equal to 1, I can say y value is minus 1. This is minus 1. This is going to be x equal to your 2, and your x equal to 3 will be here. Okay, now if you, now he is saying that find out this area, shaded area. Okay, so if you go by the integration method, area is equals to integration from 1 to 3 and what is the curve? X minus 2 dx, right? So what you are gonna get, okay, if you solve from here, equal to x square by 2 minus 2x, from where to where? From 1 to 3. Now if you get this value, you will find out this is gonna come 0. Okay, why it is coming 0? You have to understand this thing. Okay, when you are integrating from 1 to 2, okay, the area under the curve, when you will solve, you can solve it from 1 to 2. If you solve, you will gonna get my negative value. Okay, and when you're gonna solve from 2 to 3, you're gonna get positive value. Okay, so when you are integrating from minus 1 to from 1 to 3, you are getting some negative value and positive value, and that those values are getting cancelled out. So the learning thing is here is what, that when you integrate from the when the function is below x-axis and you integrate area under the curve, then he find out from the curve till x-axis, so that is coming negative. But if the curve is above, then the area under the curve is gonna come positive. Okay, so this is what the learning thing. So if the curve is downside, the area under the curve is coming gonna be negative, and if the curve is above, then it is gonna come positive. Okay, now let's do next question. This is very important question. Okay, very good question. What is saying? Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y equal to x square plus 2 and the line y equal to x and x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. So x equal to 0 is basically y axis. Okay, this is your parabola y equal to x square plus 2. So this point I can say, okay, and what he wants what, this red shaded area. Okay, x equal to 3 this is. Okay, and this is x equal to 0. This red shaded area he wants to find out. Now how to solve this? If you see clearly here, I can say from y equal to x square plus 2, if I say you this much only, I can point out here this I. What can I say? I is if you find out the area from 0 to 3 and x square plus 2, okay, dx. What is this? From this curve till x-axis, right? So if I subtract this triangle area, I'm gonna get this area, right? So this is your total area from here, the curve y equal to x square plus 2 till here, and subtracting the area from 0 to 3 in the case of x dx. Okay, this is your shaded area, this equation. So let's solve this. I equal to x square plus 2, I can say x cube by 3 plus 2x from 0 to 3 minus x dx, that is x square by 2 0 to 3. Okay, let's solve this. This is 3 cube by 3, so this is 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus 3 square by 2. Okay, so if you solve this value, you're gonna get 21 by 2. Okay, this is what you're gonna get here. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay. Calculation part you can do. This is numerical calculation. Now let's see the next thing. Now what else we can use for the integration? So we can use the integration for the calculating the average value of the function. Okay, what is the formula of average value of the calculation? First you see at the every single point when fx is changing, right? So for every x there is a y, right? So you want to calculate the average value. Okay, so you add all those values. How you calculate average? You add all those values divided by number of values, right? So here number total dx, how much strips you divided from a to b, and fx dx means y values. Okay, those y values you are adding here from a to b. So that is your average, number of the actual values sum divided by number of values. Okay, so this is how you do integration. This is very important formula, calculating the average value of any function. Okay, I hope you will able to do this. Okay, just standard formula, that's all. Average value of y between x equal to a to x equal to b. Now let's do one question on this. What is this question is saying? If y equal to x square, then find average value of y when x changes from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2. So here you see, this is your curve y equal to x square. I drawn a diagram also for reference, and then x equal to 0 to x equal to 2, x equal to 0 to x equal to 2, from here to here. So here see, for every corresponding x there is a value y, and y is changing continuously, right? So you can't write how many numbers are values. Can you predict the number of values here? No, they're infinite, right? Okay, so for that, how you will calculate the average value now? Okay, so how to do that? We wrote the formula. So number of y, all the y values. So what is the y value? Y average, how we will calculate? Number of y values, that is 0 to 2 y dx, okay, divided by number of values. Number of values is integration of 0 to 2 dx, okay. So y dx, what is y? X square dx. So x square dx integration you will do, you will get x cube by 3 from 0 to 2, okay, divided by dx, that is 2 minus 0, okay. So y average you're gonna get 4 by 3. What is 4 by 3? This is your average value of function from 0 to 2. Now let's do next question. Same thing, y equal to sine square x from 0 to 2 pi. He asked, just apply the formula, okay. The function of this graph you're gonna get in the next chapter, okay. Let's see, y average, what is the y average? 0 to 2 pi sine square x dx divided by 0 to 2 pi dx, right? Now if you remember, we have already solved this value sine square x dx, right? So I'm not saying you have to remember, okay, but you can put the values here. So what is the formula? X by 2 minus sine 2x by 4, 0 to 2 pi divided by 2 pi minus 0, right? So you will put the values, you will get the answer 1 by 2, okay. This is your final answer, okay. How we did, I will tell you one more time. Sine square x, you put the formula cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, 2 sine square theta, okay, that's all. So sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, right? That value you will put, then it is simple integration, okay. Just you reducing the power and then solving, okay. So this is the one method, like you reduce the power of the function. That is the one easy way to solve any question, okay. Okay, this is for today, okay. Thank you.